Blockchain technology is redefining the way value is distributed. With the creation of tokens, new investing opportunities have been created. Tokenization enables three main types of tokens that can be used in a variety of different ways. There are payment tokens, utility tokens, and asset or security tokens. While payment and utility tokens, which are also widely used by initial exchange offerings, provide a variety of use cases, they don't enable the investors to hold any equity in startups or companies they actually invested in. This is solved by security tokens. With security tokens, the actual ownership of assets is programmed on the blockchain. And the best thing is that everyone in the world can participate. Companies like Kickstarter or Indiegogo enable backers to donate or place pre-order sales. But with security tokens, backers are investing in the company itself. We call this Equity Crowdfunding 2.0. The TaoDust platform provides potential investors an opportunity to invest in a global market of privately held companies over the internet. If an investor decides to support a startup funded on TaoDust, they become actual co-owners of that startup with their equity in security tokens. For every investment in a startup, the startups receive 97% of the funds, while TaoDust keeps 3%. And at the end of every successful funding round, the startup gives an additional 2% of the raised capital to the platform in the form of equities. The Tao token is a fully regulated and compliant security token that creates an opportunity to invest in the TaoDust platform. Holders of the Tao token will receive a percentage of the profits based on the 3% short-term and the 2% longer-term profits from every startup funded on the TaoDust platform. By combining equity crowdfunding with asset tokenization, TaoDust is starting a new era of investment opportunities accessible to everyone. Find out more at TaoDust.com.